Good morning. It's Boxing Day. It's 6:15 in the morning and we have no power. Which is why I'm wearing a head torch. The kids are all here playing their tablets, but not the internet ones because we've got their internet eating waffles.
Mama?
Yeah?
Can we call me Mr. Lolo?
Yeah. I have lit a candle in there. They've got one in there. How is that? As you can see, let me turn my light off. Our village. Other than that, that's just my head torch light. But our village is, there is nothing. And like even further, like I can see there's like no lights. So I've lit a fire because it's a bit cold, and obviously the heating doesn't work because electric. That's oil heating, but electric. So I've got a fire going. My battery's about to die. I'm going to film my phone. Right, I'm going to turn the torch on my phone. The battery's dying on my phone. I need a coffee. So I've got my milk, my coffee and my sweetener in there, and I've got my camping kettle on top of my wood burner in a hope that I can get some hot water to make a coffee. I don't know how long it's been on there for, like maybe 10 minutes. So I'll give it another couple of minutes. It's not a whistling one. I need a whistling one really, and then it would tell me when it's done. But yeah, the fire's going, so it's nice and warm in here. I'll bring the kids down here in a minute, get them all dressed. We are meant to be going, wait a sec. We are going to my mum's today, if the car's all right, which I'm gonna have to check in the dark. And we're meant to leave here at 8 anyway, so we're gonna leave in like an hour and a bit anyway, so it's not the end of the world. It's just annoying for getting dressed and stuff and getting everybody ready this morning. But yeah, we're going to my mum's today, and then Ben's mum's because she's hosting Boxing Day for everyone. My mum and Uncle James are going to that as well. We're seeing my brother this morning as well. He's going to meet us at my mum's because my brother lives like 25 minutes past my mum, and it takes me like an hour and 15 minutes to get to my mum. So it's a really big journey to go with the kids to go and see my brother. So yeah, he's just going to drive to my mum's, which is nothing for him. Yeah, I'm gonna go and find a thermometer to see if I can check the temperature of my water. I'll do that. Right, I've got a thermometer. Oh my god, I'm like scared to get this down now. Let's check this thermometer. Not that hot yet. No, it's only 60. I'm not hotter than that. Coffee, I'm gonna put it back. Who wrote on my fireplace? Who wrote Christmas? Mika. I didn't. The kids have come downstairs now. I boiled my kettle. I've got a hot coffee, so I'm happy. It's now, what time is it? 6:45, so I think we are. Foxy's decided he's wearing his jams today. Oh, he's got her new jama top on.
It's so sharp. Mr. Pickles.
Mr. Pickles has got his jammers. You're playing your punny machine?
Mr. Pickles.
Wow, a lucky boy. We're just trying to decide what toys they want to take for the day. I'm going to have this coffee, and then I think we're going to bugger off to my mum's because there's no point sitting here in the dark. We're at mum's house.
Mama.
Say hi.
Hello.
The pop-up kitchen is gone. Her dining room is back. Should we go see Granny Nana's new kitchen? Do you want to come? Oh, come on then. It's trapped.
Mika. I don't want to
come. Come on. Right, Foxy, bum toes down the stairs. Bum toes. Because they're spiral stairs. Mummy's fell down these loads of times. Mummy's also fell up and once carrying a bowl of Cocoa Pops and just threw Cocoa Pops up the wall. Yeah.
Where
Okay, I'm just going to stand here. So it's all empty still. They're not finished. They've obviously just finished for Christmas, but they've done the floor, which is beautiful. That's her tree. And then the new kitchen. Again, the kitchen's not 100% finished, but it is beautiful. It's so lovely. Obviously this door's going to be on here. She's got a giant island again. And all the doors, like all the drawers and that are just really nice, like soft close. And I think this one's got the like the pull-out pantry drawers, which I'm so jealous of. So jealous. And then the Tilly, it all matches. And she's got one of these amazing cupboards that, again, that I'm jealous of. They've ordered the wrong doors, the builders have. And then the fridge of dreams. I'm going to zoom out a little bit to show you this fridge. It is so nice. Look at this fridge. I'm so jealous. It's ridiculous. It's got like snack drawers. Like, I'm so jealous of this fridge. And kids are just running around going mad. And she's got all like the brushed stainless. So it's not finished, but it's a massive step up from when it was flooded. Should we go upstairs and wait for Auntie Odge? Yeah. We love it. Let's go. Hi. Look. My mummy got it for me. It's amazing. It's Boxing Day still. The power's back on. We came home. We got home at like 4. The power was not on. I was like, oh fuck, what do I need to do? And I remembered I needed to trip the breaker switch, so I did that. So I'm hoping my freezers, I'm not going to touch my freezers, but I'm hoping they're still okay. Because no one's opened them all day, so. And the power came back on. The power came on. I don't know whether anything else, I don't really know. Would the freezers have come back on, or would it needed to, I don't know. But yeah, we spent the day with my mum in the morning and my brother and Amy, and then we went to Ben's mum's and saw that side of the family, and then yeah, we came home. We left there just up before 3 and got home just before 4. Now 5 to 5, making the kids some fairy toast. I've just had a bit of a tidy in the living room, but yeah, I'm absolutely knackered. I did 14,000 steps yesterday on Christmas Day. Like every time I sat down, someone wanted something, and I was just like, for fuck's sake. You know, you want like 2 minutes just to sit. Yeah. So I'm just knackered today, so I just want to give them their dinner and then go upstairs, watch TV, drink tea from my amazing mug and just relax. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to go now because I just cannot be arsed today. I'm just all people doubt, including talking to myself. So I love you and I'll see you tomorrow.